On May 22, 1960, the ground beneath southern Chile shook for 10 minutes straight. It was the strongest earthquake ever recorded, 9.5 on the moment magnitude scale. Within hours, waves would race across the Pacific, a hidden lake would threaten a city, and a volcano no one saw coming would erupt. Chile sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Nazca Plate dives beneath the South American plate. Centuries of stress had built along an 800-kilometer stretch of fault. When it broke, the rupture released almost a quarter of all the seismic energy the planet released between 1906 and 2005. Minutes later, the main shock struck near Valdivia. Localized waves as high as 25 meters battered the coast. Buildings sank into liquefied ground and rivers changed course overnight. No one knows exactly how many people died. Estimates range from 1,000 to 6,000 across Chile and the wider Pacific. The tsunami raced across the open ocean, crossing more than 10,000 kilometers to reach Hilo, Hawaii, where waves reached 10.7 meters. 61 people died there. The same waves struck Japan, the Philippines, and New Zealand. One earthquake threatening every shore of the Pacific. Days later, engineers found a hidden disaster. Landslides had dammed Riñihue Lake, and its water was rising fast enough to flood the city within 5 hours if the dam gave way. 100,000 people lived downstream. Bulldozers sank in the mud, so hundreds of workers dug a release channel by hand, buying enough time to save Valdivia. 2 days after the quake, Cordon Col erupted without warning, feeding lava and ash for 59 straight days. Careful evacuation meant no one died. 50 years later, an 8.8 magnitude quake struck just to the north. Proof this fault, the strongest ever measured, was far from finished.